Have you ever felt your knees tighten up when you stand or your legs swell after a short walk? That annoying ache in your joints might not just be getting older. In fact, what's really happening is something much sneakier, a slow breakdown of collagen in your body. And that breakdown, it's silently draining your strength and mobility, especially in your legs and joints. Millions of older adults struggle with joint pain, swelling, stiffness, even limited mobility, and yet almost no one talks about this hidden cause: collagen loss. Here's the deal. Starting in your 30s, your collagen levels begin to drop by about 1% each year. By the time you hit your mid-60s, most of it is gone. But here's what's truly shocking. 99% of seniors don't realize that there are certain fruits that can help restore collagen in your body, and some of them start working in as little as 12 hours. Yes, you heard that right. Collagen can be naturally regenerated, but only if your body has the right tools and support. And this video is going to give them to you. We're going to count down the top 8 fruits, ranked from helpful to the most powerful, that can rebuild collagen, reduce swelling, and improve joint flexibility. Stick around till the end because the number 1 fruit has been clinically shown to boost collagen density by 24% and has knee pain by over 42%. All the claims in this video are backed by peer-reviewed studies, and you'll find the research links in the video description. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment letting us know. What fruit do you hate the most? And how old are you? We read every comment, and we reply to as many as we can. All right, let's kick off the countdown with fruit number 8. 8. Kiwi. It may look small and fuzzy, but kiwi is a powerhouse when it comes to collagen production. Don't be fooled by its size. This little green fruit is packed with vitamin C, one of the key nutrients your body needs to make collagen. Here's how it works. Vitamin C activates the enzymes that convert 2 amino acids, proline and lysine, into collagen strands. Without it, your body simply can't manufacture new collagen. That's bad news for your cartilage, tendons, and ligaments, which all rely on healthy collagen to stay strong and flexible. 1 medium kiwi gives you over 70 milligrams of vitamin C. That's more than enough to jumpstart your body's collagen engine. And the benefits aren't just theoretical. In a clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand, participants who ate just 2 kiwis a day reported better joint flexibility and less stiffness, and their vitamin C levels shot up by 31% in just 1 week. But kiwis offer more than just vitamin C. They also contain actinidin, a unique enzyme that improves digestion and protein absorption. That means your body can better absorb the amino acids it needs to build collagen in the first place. Want the best results? Eat your kiwi fresh and whole. Yes, even the skin. That fuzzy exterior holds most of the fiber and antioxidants. Add it to smoothies, slice it onto yogurt, or enjoy it as a snack. This tiny fruit is the perfect way to start restoring collagen, especially if you're dealing with sore knees or slow joint recovery. 7. Pineapple. Next up, the tropical treat that does more than taste good. Pineapple is a secret weapon for joint health, thanks to a unique anti-inflammatory enzyme called bromelain. Now, bromelain isn't just good for digestion. It specifically targets inflammation in your joints, including those around the knees, hips, and ankles. Inflammation is one of the major roadblocks to collagen production. When swelling increases, your body has a harder time repairing tissues. Pineapple helps clear that roadblock. A study published in Clinical Rheumatology found that people with knee osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily experienced a 41% drop in joint pain and swelling in just 30 days. Even more impressive, a separate German study found that bromelain worked just as well as over-the-counter NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, but without the nasty side effects. Plus, pineapples come packed with over 75 milligrams of vitamin C per cup, and they're also rich in manganese, a trace mineral that activates the enzymes your body uses to create the collagen matrix that keeps your joints strong. To get the most out of pineapple, go fresh, not canned, not sugar-coated, and definitely not syrup-soaked. Eat it raw, toss it into a morning smoothie, or even pair it with bone broth if you want a collagen double whammy. Pineapple is especially effective when eaten early in the day, when your digestive enzymes are at their peak. If your knees tend to swell after standing for long periods or your legs feel tight when you walk, try adding pineapple to your routine. Your joints will thank you. 6. Papaya. Papaya is one of the most underrated collagen repair fruits out there, and it's a game changer. Most people eat papaya for digestion, but it's what's happening behind the scenes that really matters. Papayas contain a rare enzyme called papain, which breaks down long protein chains into smaller amino acids your body can use to build, you guessed it, collagen. On top of that, papaya actually has more vitamin C than orange does. This means more fuel for your body's repair system. As collagen levels fall, the lining of your joints dries out, causing friction, swelling, and stiffness. Papaya helps reverse that trend by giving your body what it needs to rebuild those fibers. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who ate ripe papaya regularly for 2 weeks reported reduced joint discomfort and better flexibility. Researchers credit papain, vitamin C, and the anti-inflammatory flavonoids found in the fruit's flesh and seeds. How should you eat it? Choose ripe papayas with soft, orange flesh. That's when the enzymes are most active. You can add a splash of lime juice for extra vitamin C, or scoop it straight out of the skin. Some dietitians even recommend adding a few seeds to smoothies. They're loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds. Avoid green, unripe papaya unless you're cooking it. It doesn't have the same enzyme potency. For seniors with chronic knee stiffness or swelling, adding ripe papaya to your breakfast can be a simple and delicious way to get your collagen flowing again. 5. Guava. Guava is a true collagen hero, and yet it's often completely overlooked. Just one guava contains over 200 milligrams of vitamin C. That's 4 times what you get from an orange. And that massive dose of C is exactly what your body needs to create new collagen strands. But it doesn't stop there. Guava is also rich in lycopene and polyphenols, 2 antioxidants that help slow down collagen breakdown. Translation? Guava not only helps you build new collagen, it also protects the collagen you already have. In a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who ate guava daily for 6 weeks saw less joint inflammation and better skin elasticity. Researchers credited guava's antioxidant load for reducing oxidative stress and giving the body more space to rebuild. To get the full benefit, eat guava raw and fresh, skin and all. The peel holds extra fiber and antioxidants. You can slice it like an apple, throw it in a fruit salad, or blend it into a smoothie with other collagen-supporting fruits like kiwi and papaya. Skip the sugary guava juices. Those can cancel out the anti-inflammatory effects. Instead, aim for 1 whole guava in the morning. It's a simple way to reduce joint puffiness, ease stiffness, and boost collagen production where you need it most, your legs and knees. Chapter 4. Blueberries. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are collagen's best friend. These tiny blue gems are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that do 2 important things. 1. Protect existing collagen from breaking down. And 2. Supercharge your body's own collagen-building enzymes. But there's more. Anthocyanins also block the activity of enzymes that destroy collagen, namely collagenase and elastase. These 2 enzymes become overactive as we age, especially in people over 60, and they are responsible for breaking down collagen faster than your body can rebuild it. In one groundbreaking study published in Nutrients, seniors who consumed wild blueberry extract daily showed a 17% increase in collagen stability and significantly improved joint mobility after just 8 weeks. But it's not just about collagen. Blueberries reduce oxidative stress throughout the body, which is a major cause of joint pain, nerve tingling, and even leg weakness. And here's a lesser-known fact. Oxidative stress in your nervous system is directly tied to the pins and needles sensation in your hands and feet. That means blueberries help on multiple fronts. How should you eat them? Go for wild or organic blueberries if you can. Wild varieties have up to double the anthocyanins. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or eat them by the handful. Frozen blueberries are still powerful. Just avoid the ones with added sugar. If you're over 60 and you notice stiffness when climbing stairs or tingling in your legs, try adding on a cup of blueberries to your daily diet. You might feel a difference within 2 weeks. Many people do. 3. Acerola cherry. If vitamin C were a race, acerola cherry would win by a landslide. Just one acerola cherry contains up to 80 times more vitamin C than an orange. Let that sink in. And that matters because vitamin C is the #1 most important nutrient for collagen production. Here's the science. Collagen is made up of amino acids, and your body needs vitamin C to convert those amino acids into collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, your body's collagen factory shuts down. That's why many older adults notice their skin sags, joints hurt, or nails weaken. They're running low on C. And it's not just about quantity. Acerola cherries also contain bioflavonoids and carotenoids, which help stabilize collagen and reduce inflammation. One study from the Brazilian Journal of Medical and Biological Research showed that acerola extract could stimulate fibroblast activity. That's the very cell type responsible for producing collagen by up to 65%. So how do you eat these super cherries? Acerola cherries are very tart and usually found in powdered form or juice concentrate. If you can find them fresh, eat them raw. That's where the enzyme power is. But if you're using powder or juice, make sure it's unsweetened and cold processed to preserve the nutrients. 1 teaspoon of acerola powder in water or smoothie each morning can kickstart your body's collagen engine. Tip: mix acerola powder with a scoop of collagen peptides for an ultra-effective combo. This fruit is especially useful if you're noticing slower wound healing, creaky knees, or muscle fatigue in your legs. It delivers results fast. 2. Avocado. Yes, it's technically a fruit, and it's one of the most powerful anti-aging foods you can eat. Unlike the other fruits on this list, avocado works differently. It doesn't flood you with vitamin C or antioxidants. Instead, it provides healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione, all of which protect and stabilize existing collagen. Here's what most people don't know. Collagen isn't just built. It also needs to be protected from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, especially in seniors. That's where avocado shines. A study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that women who ate 1 avocado daily showed increased skin elasticity and improved collagen density after just 8 weeks. But that's just the surface. What's happening deeper inside in the joints, tendons, and ligaments is even more important. Avocados provide oleic acid, a healthy monounsaturated fat that helps reduce inflammation around the joints and improve nutrient absorption. That means more vitamin C, more amino acids, and more building blocks for collagen can actually reach your tissues. And here's something else. Avocados are rich in magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals often missing from the diets of older adults. These minerals help support muscle strength and nerve signaling, especially important if you've been dealing with weak legs or the infamous jelly leg feeling after walking. How to eat it. Half an avocado per day is all you need. Add it to toast, blend it into a smoothie, or eat it with olive oil and lemon juice for a collagen-boosting salad. But don't overdo it. Too much avocado can add excess fat, which may slow digestion in some seniors. The key is balance. So if you're dealing with tight hips, sore knees, or constant fatigue in your lower body, avocado may be the anti-inflammatory fuel your joints have been waiting for. Now, are you ready to meet the most collagen-repairing, joint pain-fighting, anti-aging fruit in the world? 1. Pomegranate, the crown jewel of collagen protection. Pomegranate isn't just a pretty fruit. It's a powerhouse for anyone over 60 who wants stronger joints, firmer skin, and sharper nerve function. This fruit is loaded with punicalagins, rare polyphenols that aren't found in many other foods. So what do? They slow collagen breakdown. They boost fibroblast activity, the very cells that create collagen. They increase circulation, especially to joints and nerve endings. And they protect mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells that power everything from muscle contraction to nerve signaling. In a study published in Scientific Reports, seniors who consumed pomegranate extract for 12 weeks showed a significant reduction in joint stiffness, improved grip strength, and, most interesting of all, reduced signs of peripheral nerve inflammation. That's a fancy way of saying less tingling in the hands and feet. But here's where it gets fascinating. Pomegranate activates NRF2, a protein that helps your body clean up damaged cells and oxidative waste. This is incredibly important after age 60, when the body's self-repair mechanisms begin to slow down. In short, pomegranate is like a multi-tool. It boosts new collagen production, protects existing collagen, and cleans out the cellular junk that leads to chronic inflammation. How to eat it? Fresh pomegranate seeds, called arils, are the best option. You can sprinkle them on salads, oatmeal, or eat them on their own. If you go for pomegranate juice, make sure it's 100% pure with no added sugar. Just 4 to 6 hours a day is enough. And if you're feeling bold, look for pomegranate extract capsules, especially ones standardized to punicalagin content. This fruit is especially useful if you're dealing with hand stiffness in the morning, numbness, or burning in your toes, creaky joints when you stand, and that frustrating rubbery legs feeling when walking. Pomegranate helps on every level, and that's why it's earned the #1 spot on this list. So what's the big takeaway? If you're over 60 and you've been struggling with numb hands when waking up, achy knees when going downstairs, a feeling like your legs are giving out too quickly, then it might not just be aging. It could be a collagen deficiency your body is no longer able to fix on its own. And while collagen supplements are helpful, the secret to unlocking their full power is the right fruit support. These 8 collagen-rich fruits deliver the enzymes, antioxidants, and minerals your body needs to absorb and activate collagen naturally. Let's recap the full list. 8 best fruits for collagen and joint and health. Over 60, #1, pomegranate, total collagen protector and nerve function booster. #2, avocado, healthy fats and vitamin E to guard existing collagen. #3, acerola cherry, the ultimate vitamin C source for building new collagen. #4, blueberries are powerful antioxidants that protect joints and skin. #5, guava, rich in vitamin C, fiber, and inflammation-fighting compounds. #6, papaya, digestive enzymes and vitamin C to build and maintain collagen. Pineapple, bromelain and antioxidants to reduce joint pain. #8, kiwi, gentle on the stomach and full of collagen-building nutrients. Bonus tip: how to supercharge results. Want to get even better results from these fruits? Pair them with a hydrolyzed collagen supplement, type 1 and type 3. And make sure to include zinc, vitamin A, and amino acids in your diet as well. These are the cofactors your body needs to assemble and utilize collagen properly. And don't forget movement. Low-impact exercises like walking, tai chi, or light-at yoga stimulate blood flow, which brings these nutrients exactly where they're needed most. Final words: aging doesn't mean breaking down. With the right habits and the right foods, you can support your body's ability to repair itself, reduce chronic pain, and regain the strength and confidence you need to enjoy life again. These 8 fruits are simple, delicious, and backed by real science. So try adding just 2 to 3 of them to your weekly routine. You may be surprised how quickly your hands stop tingling, your knees stop aching, and your legs start feeling strong again. Your body is built to heal. You just have to give it the fuel it's been missing.